How do we're going to draw a circle scenery here. So first we draw the circle, then we connect two straight lines here. Let's draw the straight lines first. All right. And these two. Okay. We connect at the end. Then we put the vertical railing like this. And the platform is based on the wooden platform. When the platform is near at us, the distance will be bigger. As long as it's going farther, the things we see is smaller. All right, we put some dots here. These are the actually nuts and bolts actually for structural purpose. Also this side is tied heavily so that this platform doesn't break or fall. You can put two people sitting at the end of the platform. Let's draw a straight line here like this, and we can draw the mountains. All the hills and mountains are here. We see from a distance. We can put some shades on here also for this mountain too. This side too. All right. The shade falls on the water. Let's put some birds are flying here. All right. Now we can put some shades for the wooden platform. Let's put it here. right? Few green shades to the mountains here. Also, the water is blue. Blue shades for the water. Mhm. The sky is light blue. Alright, so this is pretty much the drawing. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and do the practice and practice. Thank you. Have a good day.